We all love to eat off a food truck, right? We've all found our favorite little hidden gem that serves the best food we've had. But sometimes the outer appearance of the food truck doesn't quite match the quality of food that's on the inside. Here at Synergy Graphics, we're able to take a food truck that is recycled, a Matco Tools truck, and turn it into a homemade tortilla taco dream machine here. So when someone brings a food truck, most likely this truck has gone through many battles in different forms. You can see they come in very poor shape, from paint peeling to very poor oxidized paint. It's very important that you're using the right kind of materials and the right kind of installers to make sure this food truck looks good for many years to come. When it comes to a wrap for your food truck, you need to start with a professional design. Here at Synergy Graphics, Mark is our lead designer. He will sit down with you. He will come up with a concept that works for your branding and your image. So if you're needing your food truck wrapped, give us a call. We can work with any budget and we'll make sure that your food truck doesn't badmouth your food.